Look at this Friday night. The sun has set. Look at the beautiful sky. Summer fun in the night. Look at this.
Oh, look at.
Oh, and we are still doing fireworks. Look at these kids and their fireworks. They got them lined up. They got some cakes, rockets, fountains, all the beautiful things. Oh, you're doing a little bottle rocket. Here we go. Awesome. We got all the stuff to make s'mores. I'm loving these flat, look at these flat marshmallows that go on the s'more just perfect. Yeah, where did Chase go? Ooh, sparklers going on. Grandma came over and Aunt Lisa, Aunt Brianna, Cousin Brooklyn, Grandma, and everybody's been snuggling the baby. Oh yeah, the baby's got all the snuggles.
Fireworks. Look at you. You missed the show.
That is the best one. I love that. That was your one.
You used to do one of the big mortar ones, but you got set on the wood.
Big ones?
Those weren't there.
He's sitting there.
Oh, there he is.
Oh wait, do the bottle rockets right now. Yeah, you do, Chris. Yeah, you're done. We're done now. Because now we're just doing big ones.
Oh yeah. What do you got? Oh, you're just eating a marshmallow?
So she went straight to marshmallow.
Oh yeah, you weren't supposed to have any more sugar. You had so much chocolate. So you snatched a marshmallow instead?
Oh, it's gonna fall.
Here, I'll go grab the spark. Oh wait, I gotta see this.
What is that?
Woo, look at
I
the.
don't remember these packs. Where'd we get these from, Ethan? I don't know. Is that the one you gave us the free pack? Woo, my. Is that where I got?
Oh, she wants to do a heart.
Yeah, the guy gave them to us. Or you just like
Go out that way. Hold them up straight so you can see the hearts. Let's see
you
them.
lie them down low. I want them burned up.
See my heart. It's like a tornado.
It's a heart. Whoa, you got like so many going on here. Look at this
Don't
heart.
throw these metals on the ground. Keep them together.
Oh yeah, don't throw the metal. Don't throw the metal on the ground.
Luke, throw the metal like right by the.
Oh my goodness. Look at this s'more that this kid is eating. Let me see. Let me see. Look up. Look at the s'more mouth.
It's a random yellow one. That's what it looks like on the
Whoa.
outside. Like a red, white, and blue one. Bag of look.
Woo!
Spread it.
Wait, Grandma's missing the fountain or the.
We'll save Pop Rocks for her, and this. We'll wait. I'm gonna let it fill up more.
It's gotta fill up a lot. I feel like going though.
And I'm proud to be an American.
There we go.
Oh,
See what happens.
died.
Here we
Wow,
go.
look guys.
Woo, Luke picked it out for Mert.
Woo, look at it in the
Yeah, baby.
sky.
Buddy up there.
Holy Malay.
Wow, that was a good one this year.
That like took off.
The best lantern you guys got.
I know. What the heck?
The other- where
it's
did-
the same brand as we've been getting.
They always like fall down. That one just went.
Oh, okay. I'm watching it. I'm watching
Wow.
Oh, that's awesome, guys.
What the heck was that? Which one is this, Nolan?
What is that bear?
Be careful of fire.
They're doing the pop rock.
Woo! Hey guys, Saturday, July 11th. We're going on our first bigger outing with baby. Here we are. We got Hunter in here hanging out. And he seems to be loving it. It's like he's back in the womb, just hanging out in there. We are braving it and having a beach day. Look at the beauty.
Put him right here, bud.
We're gonna be seeing Lake Michigan here in a second. No salt, no sharks, no other scary things that are gonna eat us. Just
Go, guys.
fresh lake water. Here we go. Lake Michigan. Hunter, you're 2 weeks, 3 days old, going to have a beach day with your family for the first time. Here we go.
Whoa, look at the water, man.
Whoa. Miley, are you excited about your first beach day of the summer season? 2026? Are you excited? Yes?
No, boys, the waves are bad today.
Oh my goodness. Oh. You guys, actually, I'm kind of scared. No, hey, this is, no, this is kind of serious. Dave. Dave. Hey, is the flags up? Lake Michigan. Here we are. We're at Tricornia Beach in St. Joseph, Michigan. We usually go to Silver Beach, which is right next door on the other side of the pier there. But it was fully loaded. It looks pretty cool, but I'm like really nervous right now. I am not sure about this. These waves are crazy. And I'm not getting in. I can't get in right now because the C-section I just had, to have this little guy is not fully healed. So I am not getting into this water today. Dave, this is, okay, we set up our spot. Got us all cozy in here at the beach. I'm calming down a little bit. I was like freaking out, like, no, this looks like, I was trying to see what the flags were today because it's so windy. The waves are bigger today. And I am just afraid of rip currents and all that. So like, they are not allowed to go past that white little swim area buoy out there. Dave is staying right next to them. I'm calming down now as a mom because I'm not out there with them. I'm usually out with them, but I am not going in that water. I don't want to get bacteria in my C-section. Miley's been in this pit for quite a while. I've been seeing her little head bop up and down, checking on her while we were sitting in our seats over here. And I came over because she was in here for quite some time. She has Wait, let me see.
baby.
She has sand in her.
Oh, come here, you're gonna break it. How'd you even do that? How's it even possible?
With Houston. He woke up hungry. It is not hot out here at all, though, so he's good that way. We are gonna feed him. He's not holding out. What a wonderful beach day! We probably were here for 2.5 hours. I sat the whole time and it was beautiful. Simply beautiful. And we can't get these kids out of these waves. They had so much fun. I was mama lifeguard the whole time. Oh, one more time? Okay, that's about 20 more times. It just keeps going. Woo! All right, Dad told them if they get out, we got to get out to have time to get ice cream in the town. In the cute beach town. We got to go get some ice cream. You guys were like little rag dolls with those waves out there.
You don't need to push. I think I make it worse.
Woo! Oh.
Can we go this summer? This summer?
Yes, we will come back for sure.
Fun this summer now.
This summer we'll come back to St. Joe.
Come on. It's almost the end of the summer.
No, it's not. We're good. Oh man, we didn't think about carrying this thing up a hill. It was easy to get it down the hill. Lift it up a bit.
Wait, I'm taking the steep way. I'll take the steep way.
Hey. Miley and Nolan, come on. Ooh, I gotta see the cookies. Oh, we're in an Italian place. Oh my goodness. Granola chocolate chip. Okay, Dave. But if you only have like 20 hours here. Look at that's something that you would like. The raspberry. Dude, no, I want that. The chocolate granola. Hi, Hunter. Hi, Hunter. What are you doing? Ooh, 4th of July is still hanging on in here. Look at that. All right, where did you get this though? It's their decoration. Where'd you get it?
I don't know. But
Wait, what did I told Dave just to like surprise me? What is this? What is this called? Whoa, look at it. They toasted it. It looks like that before you toast it. And they got it toasted. Wait, 1 second. 1 second, DJ.
Right here, right?
Come on, wait. What? Oh. What is this called? It's like a turkey-like club, but warm.
They call it a Georgia Reuben.
Oh, it's a Georgia Reuben.
I try to bite.
It's really good. They love Hot Pockets. Look at them go. Yum. It's just a hot ham and cheese. It's a hot ham and Oh, for my treat, I got a latte with white chocolate and vanilla. Yum.
I grab one of those
With
cups so we can all
a cookie. I went with the granola chocolate chip.
Yum, yes, yum. So
Okay, I'll take
good.
Cafe Tulsi. So cute. Mona Lisa.
Alright, let's cross. Look, hold my hand, Miley.
All right, we're leaving the Cafe Tulsi. I got my latte. It is very good.
See?
Wow. We're just like walking in the little town, finding all the goodies.
How about I draw a sun?
Draw a sun, yes. It's like cute, like the kids found some chalk. They're letting them draw on the sidewalk with chalk.
And the sun.
Ooh, hot and fresh donuts. I hope you got glaze for Nolan.
Ah! This is good.
Did you draw your son?
Yes, look.
Where? Oh, it's beautiful. It's orange. It's right there. Oh yeah. Oh, you're making the little rays coming off of it. That's a road, baby. Come here. Hey, no, that's a road. Come on. It's a road. It's a road. It's a road. Here's Nolan's right here. He did a little guy. Does he have glasses on, Nolan?
No, come on.
He has like hair and glasses. Look at his little feet. And the arms.
Oh, we can walk. Let's go down here. I want to see let's go see the view, Miley.
And Miley's son. There's Miley's son. And then let's see Luke's.
Miley.
Here, oh yeah, I'll get it. Yeah. Here's Luke's. Wow, is that a sun? Like a kind of a sun?
That's cool.
It just looks cool.
No.
It looks really cool. And he put his name by it. Very nice. Oh, thank you. They got all the flags out still from 4th of July. They do fireworks on the beach. We missed them this year. all the cute shops. Here's our favorite ice cream. Look at these little dogs. Look at these little dogs. Look at these little dogs, Miley. Look. Ice cream, ice cream. Whoa, this looks really good. You have a gumball in there. Like a gumball. That looks good. Miley got chocolate. Oh, hers is good. Well, I wonder what Nolan got. Daddy's ordering. Hunter's hanging out. Hi, Hunter. You're awake. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Oh, big yawn. Big yawn. From my boy. Little Hunter. Just taking a little stroll. I got left behind because I was finishing breastfeeding. Again, he got a good feeding because he fell asleep the first time. Now he just got a good feeding it. I gotta catch up to my fam. Look at the squirrel taking a picture of all the acorns. Sometime we want to come and stay in this hotel, the Silver Beach Hotel. Oh, Hunter. Hunter, I covered him up. It's getting a little chilly. A sculpture of a dad and his two kids building a sandcastle.
That's one beautiful dad.
All right, come on.
Wait, look.
No, come on, we're going. Dad's down here. Woo! It is chilly. Come on. Oh man, Howard Family Recreational Trail. Recreational Trail. Ooh. Wait, do you guys have Miley? Hold on, guys.
How would you feel over here while we're sitting along?
Whoa.
Pick up your gum and close them all. That's high enough. No higher.
Miley.
Okay, break, bro.
I can jump off.
Hi.
I'll keep pushing this over.
Hi, Hunter. Hi, baby. Are you happy now?
Go out in the water, bro.
Hi, baby.
Cups of that.
Hi, baby. You want to go swimming? We're back home, and it is like 90 degrees. Are you giving me a little smirky there? Are you giving me a little smirky? You want to go get by the pool? This was probably way too hot today. It wasn't too bad because you were in a lot of air conditioning, but let's go swimming. Hunter. Hunter. Hi, baby. Hey, boy. Is that ticklish? Is that ticklish? All right, let's go swimming. Let's go out by the pool. Hunter. Did you
wants a-
like that?
He's trying to suck a boob right now. He's trying to get me.
Hunter, did you like the piano?
Wait, oh.
Oh, there's a hair in it. Oh, Hunter. Okay, you're not. You came out here with DJ though and had a good time for a little bit. Tell he's listening. The kids are so excited because they caught the irrigator. Their little farm water park going on out here. They love this. We're on to Sunday, by the way. We've been having a fun pool day, just had a picnic with some Tyson chicken nuggets and steamed broccoli on the stove. The baby's been sleeping. I tried to get in the pool a little bit, but it was like so cold. My body was like not ready for it. There it is. You gotta stay with it. Stay with it. No, get on the end. Get on the end where it's really heavy. Run with it. Run with it. It goes so fast. All right, it's gonna come back. You like it? that we watched the farmer go out and turn it on. He walked all the way through the corn. And the kids are like, we were waiting for it and waiting for it. It slowly moves away though, you guys. The tires are moving. It goes that way and then all the way back around. Oh no! Go in it! In the end! Oh! Nolan, are you okay? Stay with it! Stay with it! No, it's at the end, Nolan, the end. Stay at the end. Now run back in the end. Yes, stay all the way with it. Oh! Look, Luke's got it. Luke's got it. That is cold, my friend. Oh man, I don't even know. I'm so sensitive to like the cold right now. Oh, out by Luke, buddy. Look, Luke is staying in it. It's like he's just walking in a rain cloud. Oh no, I don't want this. No. No. Because I can't run that fast right now. Here's Hunter. Look at his little swim shorts. We're going out about 6 o'clock so the sun won't be so scorching down on you. Look at you, look at your little body. Your little legs. I'm gonna turn you around. Let's turn him around. Let's see little Hunter. Here he is. There he is. Do you see the light? Hi, Hunter. Is that Hunter and Mama? Hunter and Mama? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh. Are you getting so big? Ooh, little Hunter Bunters. You're so sweet. Let's go out by the pool for the first time. I think I'm gonna dip your little tootsies in. He's just like, I don't even know what he's thinking. There's not a lot of expression going on. Hunter has his swimming suit on. Whoa, it's still so hot out here. Let's see how he does. Dipping his feet in.
I'm gonna swim underwater.
There goes
I'm
Mama.
gonna swim underwater all the way back here.
Okay, she's our little fish.
I'm gonna swim underwater and then I'm gonna swim underwater all the way back to you. Ready?
Okay, go. Whoa, no, that was really good. Here's baby.
Mom, you do it again.
Go, Miley.
No, you're gonna quit. Give me that way.
Wow, come over here. Swim,
And I'm gonna swim all the way back.
swim over to us. I'm in the pool. So is baby Hunter. Just a little light cool off. It's literally it was over 90 degrees today. Really hot. He's okay until someone splashes him. But look, he's literally sleeping. Hunter, you're sleeping. Your first time in the pool. Yay. He wakes up a little bit when someone splashes him. Oh, look at our baby. We got him bundled up and covered up from the sun. But to stay warm too. I mean, he just fell asleep. Like, what's that, Hunter? Your first time in a pool, you literally conk out. He is only 3 weeks old. For real. No, he's gonna be 3 weeks. Not tomorrow, but the next day, on Wednesday. He's gonna be 3 weeks. Okay. All right, get back on. No. Miley, do you want to go inside with Daddy? Okay, so Easton's the shark. Luke and Nolan are the men on the boat who get attacked by the shark. Act 1, scene 1. Let's go. Cut! All right, go. Film underwater. Okay. Act 2. Go. Oh. Act 2. Action. Hey, Miley, are you ready to go in and make dinner with me? Okay. We're making chicken enchiladas. Something super easy to make. And, yeah. It's actually getting late. It's like 6:30 at night. We're gonna have a late dinner. That's okay. It was a fun pool time. I took it slow for my first time. Got a little, I feel good. Got a little bit of exercise in, not overdoing it, just kind of moving my legs. Stretched. It's going on 3 weeks of C-section recovery. And I'm happy to get some exercise. Very minor exercise, just in the pool. I kind of just wanted to move my arms a little bit, my legs, and start slow. Not moving my belly or using a lot of my belly muscles at the moment, or pelvic. But arms and legs, we're starting there.